Running an NGO means wearing multiple hats. Writing reports, responding to emails, managing volunteers, planning events, collecting field data. The list never ends. But what if I told you that one AI assistant can help you do all of that inside the tools that you already know and use, like Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Sheets? Hey Changemakers, this is Anagha, your digital transformation consultant who likes to work very closely with NGOs and non-profits. Since my past few videos, I have been discussing about AI tools and how they can be helpful for you in different aspects of functioning your organizations. So in this video, I'm talking about one AI assistant that helps your NGO manage everything. From writing emails and reports to analyzing data, summarizing field notes, scheduling events, planning meetings, even drafting proposals. All inside the tools that you already use every day. Welcome to Google Gemini, an all-in-one AI brain that works seamlessly with Gmail, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. If your organization hasn't fully tapped into Google Workspace yet, this is the perfect place to begin. And you won't need to look for multiple tools to manage your admin work anymore. In this video, I'll show you how Google Gemini can help NGOs and nonprofits like yours run end-to-end operations, from communication to documentation, from planning to reporting, with just one smart AI assistant. Google Gemini, earlier called Bard, is Google's AI tool that helps you write, research, and summarize information using natural language. The best part is, it integrates with Google Workspace, so it works directly inside Google's products like Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more. It helps you draft, summarize, write, and automate tasks faster without keeping on switching between the different applications or learning something new. So first of all, let me walk you through how Google's products can completely transform your NGO's day-to-day work. And the best part is, if you are a registered non-profit, you can get access to all these tools for free or at a deep discount through Google for Nonprofits. Here's what is included with Google Workspace for Nonprofit. First is Gmail. That gets you branded email address for your team. An email address like info@nameofyourngo.org. Then Google Docs. It helps you draft reports, proposals, training material collaboratively. Google Sheets that help you manage budget, attendance, field data, etc. Then Google Forms that help you run surveys, registration, feedback collection, etc. Then Google Slides that help you with creating donor pitches, workshop decks, and event plans. Google Drive, it secures cloud storage for all your files and content, also the data. Then Google Calendar, that schedules and syncs field work, team meetings, and events. And Google Meet helps you conduct virtual meetings, interviews, and trainings. I know most of you are already aware of all these products. But why I'm sharing about this is because I'm talking about Google Gemini, and here next I'm going to discuss about that. So here's where Google Gemini adds magic. It works inside all of these tools to speed up your work, improve quality, and reduce repetitive tasks. Whether it's writing a proposal or analyzing survey results, Gemini supports your team every step of the way. Now, if some of you are wondering how to access all these tools for free as an NGO, here's how you can register your organization for Google for Nonprofits. First of all, visit google.com/nonprofits. Then sign in with your NGO's Gmail or Google Workspace account. Then verify your nonprofit status through TechSoup India or your country's TechSoup partner. Once approved, you will get access to first Google Workspace for Nonprofits, which is free for you. Second, YouTube non-profit program. Third, Google Ad Grants. And fourth, Google Earth and Maps tools for storytelling and mapping your impact. This simple registration opens the door to a powerful suite of tools that your NGO can use for free, backed by Google's infrastructure. Now let's check how Google Gemini specifically helps NGOs to streamline your work. It helps you create drafts for donor emails, project updates, or thank you notes in Gmail. It works for you to summarize lengthy meeting notes or field reports in Docs. It also helps you analyze survey results or field data in Sheets. It helps you outline grant proposals and strategy plans for simple prompts. It also translates and simplifies content for multilingual community outreach. And last but not the least, it can generate ideas for campaign messaging, event names, or training topics. Now let's take a real life scenario as an example. Let's say your NGO runs a health awareness campaign in a village. You receive handwritten notes and raw data from volunteers. Now instead of manually writing everything, you can prompt Gemini like, summarize this into a 2-paragraph field report or draft an email to thank the local partners. And Gemini does it instantly. Also, if you need a budget sheet, ask Gemini to create one in Google Sheets. Or want a presentation for your next donor meeting? Gemini can build the structure right inside the slides. Now to get started with Google Gemini and Google Workspace for your NGO, follow these simple steps. First step, log into your Gmail or Google Workspace account. Second step, visit gemini.google.com or open Docs, Gmail or Slides, etc. that is Google's any product and look for the Gemini icon. Third step, start by typing prompts like, write a one-page summary of our school enrollment project, or create a list of email subjects for fundraising campaign, or translate this report in Marathi. Google Gemini is intuitive, fast, and requires zero technical expertise. Gemini is a great assistant, but remember to personalize and double-check content before publishing or sending. Always include raw data, local insights, and human touch. To help you get started faster, I have created a free resource with ready-to-use prompts for Google Gemini designed specifically for NGOs like yours. Download it from the pinned comment below and supercharge your team's productivity. Google Gemini isn't just another AI tool. It's a complete productivity system, helping your NGO do more with less. It's your NGO's smart partner for creating everything from emails to grant proposals, from field reports to donor communication, to scheduling meetings and events, all under one powerful system. I hope this video inspires your team to use AI for good. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tools and training to amplify your good work. See you in the next video.